SteelSeries Arctis 1 mic not working. So is your SteelSeries Arctis 1 mic not working properly? Don't worry. You'll get the easiest step-by-step fix for solving this problem. So to be able to solve this problem, first thing you can do is to unmute your microphone. So initially check if SteelSeries Arctis 1 mic is turned on or not. On the left ear cup of your microphone, check if the button is pushed towards the mute or unmute end. If it's mute, then turn it on. But if your microphone is unmuted and still not working, then check the following fixes to get more details. And also, poor positioning can disconnect your headset or make it hard to detect your headset on the computer. So we check if you have plugged in your headphones correctly or not. Second is to allow access to microphone. The SteelSeries Arctis does not offer any factory reset option like SteelSeries Arctis 7, 9, and 9X. So you have to manually check whether you have allowed access to the microphone or not. To do so, follow the steps. So open the Windows key and search for microphone. Then in the settings section, tap on the microphone privacy settings, and there you will find the allow apps to access your microphone option. Turn the toggle in the on position to give access, and this will let other apps use your microphone. By scrolling down, you can find the list of apps that are allowed to use your microphone. Make sure that you have moved the toggle to on all of the apps you use. Then check whether it has fixed your mic or not for different apps. Third is to update your audio driver. So for SteelSeries Arctis 1 mic will not work on your PC, you need to make sure that you have updated your audio drivers. It will not work if you're using incorrect or outdated audio or headset drivers. So you need to update the Realtek audio driver and also your headphone driver. Then see if the issue is fixed or not. You update the drivers automatically and manually both ways. So you can actually do that by opening Device Manager on your PC, double click on the audio inputs and outputs, right click on the driver names that comes under the drop down menu, and then select Update Drivers and then click on Search automatically for drivers. Install the newer version of driver and click on Finish to end the process. And that is how you can basically fix SteelSeries Arctis 1 Nova mic not working.